Hey there, pioneers! Here's how to get the dive elevator in Subnautica 2. The dive elevator is incredibly useful if you want to speed up your ascents and descents, especially while exploring the deeper regions of the ocean. You can find its fragments south of your life pod. The first fragment is located in this debris field right here, close to the welcome center. Simply pull out your scanner and scan the first piece. After that, head southwest from that location. Keep swimming straight and descend just far enough to clearly see the ocean floor. Once you come across a wreck, approach it and you'll find the second dive elevator fragment underneath. Pull out your scanner once again and scan the final piece to unlock the blueprint. You can now build a dive elevator using your habitat builder under the utility section. It requires 4 titanium, 2 copper and 2 quartz to craft. With that, you'll now have a much faster way to travel between the surface and deeper areas of the ocean. And that's all there is to it. If this video helped, please leave a like, drop a comment, and subscribe to the channel for more quick dive guides. Thanks for tuning in, and I'll see you in the next video.